Sir, my point of order satisfies Rule 376, subsection 1 and 2. What is that? It is, sir, 200A clearly says, before a motion can be listed, a determination has to be made. 1. Resolution is specific in its charges, clearly expressed and free of imputation and defamatory statements. Now, who has made this determination? Because Article 96 clearly says that when a motion 96 clearly says Speaker cannot be over here. My question to the House is, who has made the determination? Because the Supreme Court in Nabam Rabia has clearly said that a Speaker against whom a notice of removal has been given cannot exercise adjudicatory powers in proceedings connected with the removal. So who has made this removal? The House should know. Secondly, sir, you come to Article 96(1). It governs what happens when a removal motion of Speaker is under consideration. Speaker cannot preside. What 96(1) says, then say that 95(2) shall apply to every such sitting. What is 95(2)? It lays down the hierarchy done by Baba Sahib. First Deputy Speaker, you don't have a Deputy Speaker. If the Deputy Speaker is also absent, such person has been determined by the rules of procedure of the House. Third, if no such person is present, such other person has been determined by the House. Sir, you are sitting over there. I challenge it also. Why? Because you read Nabam Rabia, Constitution Bench case. Once a notice of removal has been given against a Speaker, the Speaker cannot exercise adjudicatory or discretionary powers that have a bearing on those proceedings. Bearing on those proceedings, that is these proceedings. The Speaker has a direct personal interest in the outcome, and that interest disqualifies him from acts that shape these proceedings. You take the judgment of Quixote Holohan. Supreme Court reinforced that constitutional functionaries exercise adjudicative function must observe natural justice. You have been appointed by the Speaker. I am of the opinion that you cannot sit over there and take up these proceedings. The House sent should be taken. You have majority. The House sent. One minute, sir. 1 minute. Wait. 1 minute, sir. Let me complete. Article 95, Article 96. You are quoting Rule 10. Rule 10 cannot overtake the article of the Constitution, sir. So that is why this government has created a constitutional mess. Let me complete, sir. Please. Let me complete, sir. In the last three, no confidence, the Deputy Speaker. That is why I say, first, the proceedings are constitutionally irregular.
I got it. Your point.
No. Let me complete. Let me complete.
Sir.